Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I will be reviewing a glass screen protector for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. You just purchased it. You want to protect that external display. They call it under the cover display. You want to protect it because it is big and beautiful, but you do not want to scratch it up. Look no further. I will be installing the Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT screen protector for it. I just installed the same screen protector on my Fold 5. I might drop that video before this one, but if you have the Fold 5, it's pretty much the same installation here, and it protects the screen from getting scratches. It's quite easy to install. I'll have links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. I've been using this screen protector for a while now, and it's really easy to install, and it fits great too. So if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. So in the box, you get one, but two of the screen protectors. You also have an installation little book here. You get some some instructions, dust removers, a microfiber cloth, and then also some lens cleaner. And then you also get some instructions here. So let me put all this on the side. You can flip this one to the side too because you don't need it, hopefully. All right, so you turn your phone off and you just want to put it in the middle there. Hopefully I can get this on camera, but you want to open up your wipe. Now don't use both of the wipes. Save one for, the other one in case you need it. And what you want to do is wipe down the phone. I mean, there's not much room that you have to wipe down though. I mean, it's only a little bit right there. Wipe it down good. Wipe, wipe. That song just keeps popping in my head. Then what you want to do is dry it off. Pretty simple. You can take your dust remover. Make sure you remove all the dust on there, because you don't want no little dust buckets there, or dust bunnies, whatever they call them. Then what you do is you take this installation guide, you flip it over, and you just peel this off. It does have top and bottom, but I mean, it's pretty simple. And then what you want to do is make sure your phone is in there. And then what you want to do, it says press and slide. So you can press it. Press it hard if you want to. Now you might have some bubbles, but you do have a squeegee to get those bubbles out. And then you just remove this. And then what you can do is remove the little tool there. And then you have these little tabs here. You take it off. You can take your squeegee, your microfiber cloth here, and you just want to take that bubble out. And there you go. Pretty easy to do. Now it doesn't cover all the way down here. I wish it did a little bit more, but it doesn't. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. All right, so the phone is back on, and what it does is covers pretty much, I don't want to take a photo though. It pretty much covers the little widgets here, so that's what it covers. It goes down here all the way around. Now, I would like it to go a little bit further, because if you drop it here, what happens? You can get a little scratch there or even break it. But, I mean, as you can tell, you can see where it goes. It goes up to here, all the way around. I do wish it went a little bit further, but this should protect it enough to keep it from getting scratched up a lot. So I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. I do like it. The installation was easy, simple to do. It took me like 2 minutes to do it. But if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. That way you can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.